Hello! Today I'll show you how to insert page numbers in Word from a specific page. I have a document here that contains the cover, the table of contents, and the content itself. If you want to insert the page number, click on Insert, then on Page Number. You can choose from the drop-down menu to add the number at the top of the page or at the bottom of it. For this tutorial, I'll choose to have the page number at the bottom of the page. The page number has been inserted, but there's a problem. The number appears on the cover and on the page containing the table of contents. To make the number disappear from the cover of the document, go to the top of the page. From the header and footer menu, activate the checkbox called Different First Page. Once activated, the number from the first page disappears. The problem now is that the table of contents page starts with number 2. To solve this issue easily, go to the top of the page. From the header and footer menu, choose Format Page Number. Now, go to the option called Start At. Then replace the value with the number you need to start the counter. We replace the number with 0, and the page number from the second page of your Word document is now replaced with 1. That's okay if you need to start the numbering from the second page of the document, but we need to have no page numbers on the first 2 pages. To do this, you need some extra steps. Delete the page numbers from the bottom, then make sure all the page numbers disappear from the entire document. Go to the top menu and from Home, select the Markup option to activate some hidden elements in your Word document. Go to the place where you need to start counting the pages and click with your mouse. Once there, go to the top menu, click on Insert, then choose Page Break. A special tag is now inserted on the page between the intro and the section where you need to start the page numbering. Go to Layout, click on Breaks, then choose Next Page. A new tag is now added to the page. Go to Home and disable the markup option. The markup is now hidden in the document and can be used for the next step. Double-click on the footer area. Now, the Word document has 2 footers, Footer Section 1 and Footer Section 2. If you add some text in the first footer, the text appears in the second footer, which is problematic. The footers are interlinked, and the second one depends on the settings of the first footer. From the header and footer menu, disable the option called Link to Previous. The footers are now independent. Now it's time to insert the page number in Word from a specific page. Select the second footer, then go to the top, and from the header and footer menu, choose Page Numbers. Then select the place where you need to add the page number. That's it. You successfully added page numbers in Word from a specific page. The page numbers disappeared from the first 2 pages, and the numbering starts from the place you need. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.